Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Hello guys, I want you to join me in singing this song. They'll say Horo Koperaya, hey, Haye Mama Dasi, Koto Toshu Meta. Is it Meta? What you call? Pari, oh yes. Ìjà ti parí, kò sógun mọ́, kò sọ́tẹ̀ mọ́. Fight don go. Titi. Finally, I've got this for you. Wasiu Ayinde and his ex-wife, Titi Marshal. Finally, they have reconciled. Bam! They don't reconcile. So all these talk. They don't do. They have reconciled. Yes, they reconcile in London. So you can watch this video and see how the two, settle their differences amicably. Àwọn àti Eyinde, they used to fight and they used to end it. They will not say because after 3 kids now, three children, 3 odidi ọmọ mẹ́ta. Ṣé kò ní parí ni? Go end now. So no more fight, no more quarrel between Wasiu Ayinde, that's Kwam 1, and Titi Marshal, his wife. Congratulations to them both. We say èṣù ní wà ní mímọ́ o, ẹ lọ́ra yín gbé, ẹ lọ́ra yín pẹ́, ilé wa ò ní dàrú. Thank you. You can watch the video, guys.